Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make red curry with chicken and Thai fried egg. Okay, today we're going to start everything over here now because I already have everything prepared and ready to cook. Alright, so I turn on the medium low heat. Alright, I'm going to add some 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Yes, the coconut oil will go in. Okay, and now all the coconut oil start melting. You don't have to wait until so hot. Now you can add the curry paste. So I use a 2.5 tablespoon the red curry paste. Okay, it's gonna cook in the coconut oil. Okay, until you smell all fragrant. You smell really good. Okay, and now the red curry start cooking and give you a good fragrant smell. So all the herb smell now. I'm going to add the next ingredient. I have 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin and a half teaspoon the paprika powder. I use the cumin because I wanted to have like a herby smell because sometimes this red curry didn't have a ground cumin. So and then also I add the paprika because I want a bright red color and a little bit of smoky flavor in this curry because the traditional Thai curry they didn't put the paprika powder. Okay, and now all the herb and all the curry cook very well and very good smell. You can check with your eye and you're smelling. Now I'm going to add the chicken. I use the ground chicken meat. I use 10 ounce. For the meat, for the chicken meat, you can use ground pork or you don't like the ground meat, you can just cut them real small and
I can play now.
And using different I'm sorry. And you also can use shrimp. I mean for the protein it can be up to you. Now we're going to put the heat high. Okay, the little chef so excited to help me. So I have to move her over here a little bit closer. Okay, and now our chicken start to be cooking, almost done. So now I'm going to add some chicken broth. I use the half cup the chicken broth. You want to put it? Okay, so half a cup chicken broth, and now the heat is high. Okay, and give them the very quick. Give them some mix. Quick mix, make sure all the curry and everything all the salt and mix well together. Okay, and now the chicken cooking very good now. So now we're going to start to the seasoning. So the baby gonna helping me, so I'm just gonna turn the heat down so it's not too hot for her. Okay, and I'm gonna move a little bit for her, and then I'm going to put the 2 tablespoons palm sugar. Put it already. Put them all. Put 2 tablespoons palm sugar. Okay, 2 tablespoons palm sugar. For the palm sugar, if you have a hard time to bake them down, I like to put them in the bag and use the pestle and mortar to kind of powering them, and then they coming be very soft, very easy. Okay, so we have a 2 tablespoons palm sugar go in, and next we're gonna add 2 tablespoons some fish sauce. Okay, and next we're going to add a 2 tablespoons fish sauce. Okay, so the 1 and then 2. I put already 2 tablespoons the fish sauce. Alright, set it on the side, and then now I'm going to mix all the sugar and the fish sauce. Okay, and next I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. Be careful with the salt, we only need a little bit. Okay, and next I'm going to add some bell pepper. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to add some bell pepper. Sorry. Okay, so I use the 1/4 cup the bell pepper. I chop them real small. Okay, I chop them to a little cube like that. Okay, gonna put them, and I'm going to save the julienne I'm going to save the durian one for the garnish on the top. Okay, so I put the 1/4 cup the bell pepper, chop it small, and now I'm going to put some herb. I put the kaffir lime leaf. I durian them, and also I cut them real small because they're very tough if you chew on the big pieces, so make sure you cut them really small. Okay, and I'm gonna save a little bit for the topping. Okay, same thing with the bell pepper. Alright, and then now give them a good mix. Okay, and then on the high heat, everything cooking. Okay, now I'm going to add some coconut milk. Okay, let me add some coconut milk.
Yeah.
Okay, give to mommy, baby. Alright, so we're gonna put the coconut milk inside there. Okay, I use the 1/2 cup the coconut milk, and now I'm going to put the heat to medium. Give them the good mix. Okay, now I'm going to give them a taste, a quick taste, but it's hot. Little bit sweet and salty, and if you need more salty, it's up to you. You can add more salt or add more fish sauce, or if you like more sweet, you can add more sugar, of course. Alright, so now everything is done cooking here, and next we're going to make our fried egg. Okay, and now we're going to do the deep fried egg. Thai deep fried egg is only have to put a little bit extra oil for deep fry. Okay, so and now the first egg going to go in. Like this. We want the crispy on the outside, and then we want the egg yolk still running for the inside. This is how the Thai fried egg, we always like to do it this way. Okay. But for the egg, it's totally up to you. If you need 2 eggs or 3 eggs, it's totally up to you. Okay, I'm going to put the 1 egg for 1 portion. Okay, quick and easy. Now the first egg done cooking, and you see this. It's still very soft, and then we want a crispy on the outside. And now I'm going to do the rest, and we'll see you when we finish frying all the egg. Alright, now everything done. I have my white rice on the bottom. I put inside the little bowl, and then I just pass it down a little bit and put into the bottom. And now I'm going to pick 1 egg to put on the bottom. I'm gonna pick this one, look. And then I put in the bottom, and then you put your curry on top. For the curry, much that you like. Okay, and then put a little bit of salt. Make sure you have a little bit of sauce. Wow. Okay, and then you will be garnished with a little bit the kaffir lime leaf.
Mommy,
And gonna be a little bit the red bell pepper on the top for just making the color. Yeah, that's it. All we done. And now I ready to try this. Right now, time to try our red curry with the chicken and crispy egg with the egg yolk. Okay, thank you so much, baby, for help mommy. Okay, so now we're going to open the yolk. Look, open the yolk.
open it.
Look at this, perfect. Okay, and now crispy egg yolk, crispy egg, and then the egg yolk very runny and juicy. A little bit of everything. Oh, look at it, guys. Look at this.
You like it?
It's so creamy, not spicy, but flavorful. The egg, it really make the flavor profile better. And then please,
Mommy, pretty.
yes, and then please use the kaffir lime leaf. It really make everything better. I know you want to try it right now. I hope you like this video, and mommy and baby baby help me cooking a lot, so I hope you like this recipe and video. If you like, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.